Looking to enhance your DJI drone flying experience? Look no further than the DJI Avata Fly More kit. This kit includes 2 intelligent flight batteries and a battery charging hub, providing you with plenty of power for your flights. With a rated capacity of 35.71 watt hours and a powerful battery life of approximately 18 minutes, the intelligent flight battery is an excellent choice for extended flying times. The built-in DJI Intelligent Battery Management System also monitors and reports battery status in real time, so you can focus less on power levels and more on flying. The DJI Avata battery charging hub can also charge 4 batteries in sequence, making it a great choice for efficiency. And if you're looking for an excellent way to improve your drone flying experience, the Fly More kit is a good choice. I love being able to fly longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of power, and the charging hub makes it so much easier to charge multiple batteries at once. This kit has really made my flying experience much more enjoyable. The DJI Avata Fly More kit is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their drone flying experience. This kit includes 2 intelligent flight batteries and a battery charging hub, providing you with plenty of power for your flights. You have a great time flying now. Peter signing off.